Oscar is now trying to reassert his dominance, particularly on Mark Gillespie. And it's working. That is massive. It's huge. It's in someone's backyard, and if you don't want to throw it back, folks, don't. It's downtown. It has gone miles. It would have gone through the old Mackenzie stand.
Yeah, those sixes with the breeze, so good smart batting. Okay, we've got Sean Irvine mic'd up down there, and the ball's flying around a bit already.
Yeah, mate, they've had a pretty good start, so we've got to try and get a couple of wickets to tie them down. Oh, that's out.
That has gone miles. That has gone right out of the ballpark. That's 300 metres away. I don't think I've ever seen that before. With the breeze or not, that is just massive.
Sean, you've played at the whack, and we're just seeing a replay now onto the nets on the full. The breeze is going that way, but that is like a golf shot. Up with the breeze, about an 8 iron, and away it went. Yeah, so Sean, that's the danger with these games, isn't it? If a couple of batsmen get off to a flyer, not much you can do about it.
Yeah, that's right. I mean,